Hi friends, this is Omkar Kulkarni. So in this session, we are going to discuss regarding working of transistor. So before that, what is the main intention of this channel, YouTube channel, is to make the electronic concepts easy to understand. Is the main intention of this channel. So let us quickly start with the working of transistor. So how the transistor works is very important. In the previous session, we have covered the topic related to transistor itself, the basic understanding of transistor. So now we will have to understand what is the working of transistor. So let us quickly start with the working of transistor session. So as you can see this, I am highlighting. So this is nothing but the circuit diagram of the transistor. So this is basically PNP transistor, I can say. So how to identify the transistor type is very easy. I will give you one methodology so that it will be easier for you to understand in any of the circuit, whether it is NPN transistor or PNP transistor. So if suppose if the arrow is, so this is emitter terminal, so this is emitter terminal, okay. So if the arrow mark is away from the away from the emitter terminal, then it is PNP transistor. If the arrow mark was in reverse way, like towards the emitter terminal, so this is emitter terminal, correct. So if the arrow mark was in this way, then it is NPN uh, transistor. So this is, I hope it is clear now. Okay, so hence since the arrow mark here is away from the emitter terminal, then or towards the base, this is the PNP transistor. So as the circuit indicates, it's a VEE voltage which is applied, and R1 and R2 are the resistors, and VCC is also the biasing voltage, and it is having a common ground. Base is commonly grounded. This is the basic fundamentals of this circuitry. So now the transistor is in forward active region. So as I already discussed in the previous session, like what are all the different regions of the operations of transistor. So out of this, the one is active region, in which the emitter base junction is forward biased and collector base junction is reverse biased. So this is emitter. I will just quickly revise. This is emitter, this is base, this is collector. So these are the three terminals of transistor. So friends, so emitter to base in active region, as I told you, in active region, emitter to base junction. So this is emitter base junction is forward biased. It means positive is applied to positive and negative is applied to negative of the battery. So collector base junction is reverse bias. So this is collector, this is base. So collector base junction is reverse biased. Okay. So that means positive of the terminal is connected to negative of the battery, and negative terminal is connected to positive of the battery. So this is exactly opposite to the forward bias. So this means this portion of the circuitry, emitter base junction is forward biased and collector base junction is reverse biased. So this is the way. As you can see here, battery plus minus minus and plus. This is forward bias, this is reverse bias, and base is commonly grounded, and this is PNP transistor. So I hope these fundamentals are clear now. So now we will quickly try to understand what is the in what way the transistor works. So as the emitter base junction is forward biased, emitter base junction is this part, emitter base. So as the emitter base junction is forward biased, holes move across to the base, means holes are moving like this as per the arrow mark. So then that current is generated, that is nothing but the emitter current, which I am highlighting now. Since the base is narrow, okay, and lightly doped. So how the doping is done, I have told you in the previous session. Emitter is heavily doped and base is lightly and doped, and it is narrow in size. So lightly doped, the minority electron hole recombinations. As this is very narrow, the whatever recombinations are occurring, as the space is less, as it is narrow, there will be less recombinations which are going to happen. Okay, so this is how the emitter current will come into picture. The holes will move from here to here, base, and recombinations are less because the base is narrow and lightly doped. So now, due to large carrier concentration gradient in emitter to base region, majority of the holes diffuse cross the base into the CB junction. Means, see here, lot of holes are escaping, means diffusing through the base, because it is narrow, right? So it is, most of the holes are diffusing and entering into this circuitry. So this circuitry is collector base junction. So now the current emitter current is flowing, and as the base is narrow, the holes are diffusing through the base, and it is entering into this circuitry. So this is how the operation you can understand. So next is, since the collector base junction, now the holes are coming here now. So now this is reverse biased, correct? This is reverse biased. As the collector base junction is reverse biased, the junction electric field sweeps out the holes into the collector current. Means, as this is reverse biased, the junction electric field, whatever field will be generated in this junction, okay, which junction? Collector to base junction. So since this is reverse biased, the electric field sweeps out the holes into the collector. Means it will go to the collector, this will diffuse and go to the collector, it will not enter here, it will go into the collector. So this is collector terminal which I am highlighting now. So it will diffuse due to electric sweep, it will try to come here, but the electric field whichever is present in the junction will sweep this holes into the collector circuitry or collector. Okay, so this current whichever is flowing through here is called as collector current. Okay, so regarding emitter current, base current and collector current, I will try to cover the in detail session in the upcoming uh, session. So please now try to understand how the current is going to be generated, then I think that will be more clear. Okay, so now the holes, since they are entering here, the electric field sweeps the holes here now. Now the holes are moving in this particular direction. So the holes, whatever are moving, some current is generated. What is this current? Flow of charges. Okay, so due to this some current is generated. That current is nothing but the collector current. Okay, so next, a small minority of electron flows from the base to the emitter. So from base to emitter also some in reverse direction minority. See, this is majority carriers. So minority carriers will also be flowing from reversely from, always minority carriers will flow in reverse direction to the majority flow. So majority flow is in this direction, minority flow is in opposite direction, means opposite to the direction of this arrow mark. You can remember in this way. So a small minority electrons flow from base to emitter. From this base to emitter they will flow. A small number of holes coming from emitter, okay, coming from emitter recombine with the electrons in the base. New electrons from the supply flow. Okay, so some of the recombinations is going to happen in this particular circuitry. So new electrons flow from supply into the base to replace the lost electrons. So these two components contributes to the what is so called as base current. Okay, so how the base current is generated, now we have to understand. See, whatever minority carriers electrons will move from this base to emitter, and while moving they will also recombine with the holes. Electron hole recombinations will take place, and due to this minority carriers some current will also be generated, right? So due to this a current is generated, and that current is nothing but the base current. Okay, so these two components contributes to the base current. Which two components? Minority electron flow from base to emitter, and holes coming from emitter to base. So both will recombine here as together recombine, and then some current is generated. This particular current is flowing in this direction which I am highlighting now. This current is nothing but the base current. So I will quickly summarize the working of PNP transistor. Okay, so we will try to understand now. See, this is emitter base. I will just quickly summarize, so please concentrate. So this is emitter to base junction, this is collector to base junction, this is emitter, this is base, this is collector. So emitter base junction is forward biased, collector base junction is reverse biased, positive negative, negative positive. Okay. So when the holes are moving from emitter to base, there will be since the base is lightly doped and it is narrow in size, so much of the recombinations are not happening and holes diffuse through the base. And when they try to diffuse, some of the electric field whichever is generated in the collector to base junction, this will sweep the holes into the collector region, collector towards the collector terminal. Due to this, some current is generated. This current is nothing but the collector current. So on minority carriers will also be moving at the same time from base to emitter, and holes are also moving from emitter to base. So due to this, a recombination occurs here itself. So that recombination gives rise to a current which is nothing but the base current, and the holes which are coming through emitter gives rise to the emitter current. So this is the simple way of understanding the working of the transistor. So this is all about a transistor. In the next session I will try to cover the different currents which are available in the transistor in detail. So please, if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates, because it will be really helpful for you to understand. And as I will once again tell you that this channel is, the main intention is to make understand electronic concepts in a very simple manner, or it can be physics also, because electronics is a part of physics. If you want to know any other topic also, please comment in the YouTube comment section. I will definitely try to cover the topic related to that. So have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.